Morning, evening, afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Ryan coming back to you with a quick follow-up to my ACE Step 1.5 implementation. In the previous video, I introduced to you these custom guiders to extend the native support in ComfyUI to the other task types, including cover, extend, repaint, and then coming soon is what they call Lego and extract. So this is going to be a quick video, just a fast follow-up to show you the two new things that I've added. First and foremost, I added these LM parameters here. So this will give way more control. This is supported natively in Comfy, so I missed it at first, but this will give you way more control over your outputs. Like cranking the temperature way up will give you a different result, for instance. That being said, these parameters are only relevant to certain task types. They are not relevant to the cover task type because the cover task type gets its semantic hints elsewhere. So this is relevant only to repaint, extend, and one other, and text to music. Yeah. So that's that. Those new parameters, they're not useful for cover, but the other thing I added, speaking of semantic hints, I whipped up semantic hint blending. So now you can take semantic hints from two different songs, as I've done here, and you can blend them together. You can blend the entire thing, so just do half and half of one song, all one, all the other, or you can blend them over time, which is what I'm going to show you here. So the feature system, this is like the core function of my node pack. You can think of features as a timeline. So given a certain period of time, you can like manipulate these features. There's dozens and dozens of feature sources. We're using time as a feature source here. It's really just like makes a sine wave in this case. But there's dozens of other sources. You can draw them manually. You can get them from audio. You can depth, color, MIDI, brightness, whisper. Like, there's a ton. There's a ton of them. I went really overboard with it. So there's a ton of feature sources. Likewise, there's a ton of ways to combine and manipulate these features to get something highly custom. Like, you know, we have this mixer here. There's a feature. I mean, dude, just check out the documentation in the node pack. There's lots and lots of stuff. Anyways, we use this feature, and I just made it. We can convert it to a float and then use that to control the blend factor. So, over the total frames calculated by the duration of this audio here, we will pulse the value at a frame rate of 25 for every 200 frames. So this is like this is the frequency, the feature values, the amplitude. Frame rate of 25. This is important. The ACE step model, the 1.5 model is 25 hertz. The 1.0 model is like something else where it's like, turns out it like works out to be like 13 point something FPS, but this is 25. So that's important, especially for something like time feature where it calculates based on the frame rate like this. So you can get some like interesting results. You know, I haven't spent that much time experimenting with it. I basically confirmed that it works. So I mean, I guess I'll play it, but without any context, it's not going to be like super informative for you. I mean, you can just try it yourself. Here's the original audio, and then. So it's kind of tough to discern without without like carefully comparing the inputs. And I don't really want to take the time to and force you to listen to these terrible input songs I'm using here. So just experiment with it for yourself. It can make just interesting, unique outputs here. So my philosophy is the more knobs we have to turn, the better. The further away from just a text prompt, the better. I think this allows some, we can approach craftsmanship. Even, I'm a musician, so this is heartbreaking to a certain extent, that you can generate music, but at the same time, it's a new opportunity for us to become craftsmen, or to try to approach that anyways. Okay, any questions? Leave them in the comments. I'll post this workflow on CivitAI and in GitHub, and like, comment, subscribe. I've been Ryan. Bye bye.